Number, वचन. There are two types of number. वचन दो प्रकार के होते हैं. Singular number, एक वचन. Plural number, बहुवचन. Singular number. When a noun indicates only one person, it is called singular number. संज्ञा के जिस रूप में एक ही वस्तु का बोध होता है उसे एक वचन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल: आई मैं, यू तुम, ही वह, शी वह, इट यह, दिस यह, दैट यह, नेम नाम. एग्जाम्पल्स: आई एम हियर, आई वॉज देयर, आई हैव अ बैट, आई प्ले क्रिकेट. प्लूरल नंबर, बहुवचन. When a noun indicates more than one person, it's called plural number. संज्ञा के जिस रूप में एक से अधिक वस्तु का बोध होता है उसे बहुवचन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल: वी हम लोग, यू तुम लोग, दे वे लोग, दोज वो लोग, दीज ये लोग. अब्रीविएशंस, कुछ शब्दों के संक्षिप्त रूप. M male, F female, SN singular number, PN plural number. Chart of person and number. Person, that's व्यक्ति. First person, प्रथम व्यक्ति. Singular number, एक वचन. I, मैं. Plural number, बहुवचन. We, हम लोग, हम. सेकेंड पर्सन, द्वितीय व्यक्ति. सिंगुलर नंबर, एक वचन. यू योर, तुम आप. प्लूरल नंबर, बहुवचन. यू योर, तुम लोग आप लोग. थर्ड पर्सन, तृतीय व्यक्ति. सिंगुलर नंबर, एक वचन. ही वह मेल, शी वह फीमेल, इट यह लिटिल, दिस नियर यह, दैट फार यह, नेम नाम. प्लूरल नंबर, बहुवचन. दे वे लोग, दोज वो लोग, दीज ये लोग.
We are going to study fourth chapter. Fourth chapter I have made especially for spoken English, and that chapter name is number, vachan. There are two types of number. वचन दो प्रकार के होते हैं. सिंगुलर नंबर, एक वचन. प्लूरल नंबर, बहुवचन. Now I am trying to make you understand about singular number, एक वचन. When a noun indicates only one person, is called singular number. In other words, you can say only and only one. That is called singular number. संज्ञा के जिस रूप में एक ही वस्तु का बोध होता है उसे एक वचन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल: I, you, he, she, it, this, that, name. In the sentence I can say, I'm here, I was there, I have a bat, I play cricket. So these all are the singular forms. Second is a plural number, bahuvachan. When a noun indicates more than one person is called plural number. In other word, more than one is called plural number. संज्ञा के जिस रूप में एक से अधिक वस्तु का बोध होता है उसे बहुवचन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल: वी, यू, दे, दोज, दीज. In the other form of Hindi, I can make you understand. When we say I means my Hindi में, you means तुम, he वह, she वह, it यह, this यह, that वह, name any name. These all are the singular number. in the plural number, I can say we, हम लोग, you, तुम लोग, they, वे लोग, those, वो लोग, these, ये लोग. Friends, I'd like to make you understand with the chart of person and number. When you will draw these charts in the different forms, you will understand the real form of spoken English. So I have classified into the different form of chart, which is already given in your workshop manual book. This workshop manual book will make you enabled to become good speaker of English with your practice of writing. So chart is divided into two forms. One is singular number, other is plural number. And in the person form, it has divided into three forms. First person, second person, third person. So according to this chart, in singular number, there are 8 types of person. I, you, your, he, she, it, this, that. These all are the singular number. The second part is of plural number. In plural number there are 5. We, you, they, those, these. These all are the plural form of this chart. So in the singular number there are 8 kinds of person. In plural number there are 5 kinds of person. So what we can say? All over there are 13 kinds of person. In the future we study the elaborated form of these 13 kinds. For example, instead of I, we use me. Instead of we, you use us. This is the form. But one thing you need to understand, to become a good speaker of English, you need to understand there are only 13 kinds of person in the world. Now, when we are talking about you and your, so there are 2 you and your. The pronunciation of you and your are same, but it applies according to their singular form and plural form. Because as the form of this book, from initially way, I'm trying to make you understand into English to Hindi, Hindi to English. So just I'm trying to make you understand in the whole of the world, in each and every languages, there are only 13 kinds of person. I, we, you, your, he, she, it, this, that, name, they, those, these. These all are the parts of person and number.